Welcome to my channel Pharma Discussion with Kaji. Today we will discuss about the Gillette Pharmacy 2018 question paper. The first question is, today we will discuss about the Gillette Pharmacy 2018 question paper. The first question is, strontium chloride is used as astringent, antiseptic, desensitizing agent, deactivating agent. Here the correct answer is desensitizing agent. Another few desensitizing agents are glutaraldehyde, silver nitrate, zinc chloride, etc. In this question there are three more terms such as astringent. Astringents are the agents which can precipitate proteins, for example tannin. Antiseptics are the agents which can inhibit the growth of microorganism in a low concentration and can be applied in living body. Next question is, how many volumes of the latest editions of IP 2017 are there? Options are 5, 6, 4, 3. The correct answer is 4. The correct answer is 4. Next question. Sodium bicarbonate. Question number 3. Sodium bicarbonate is used in the treatment of systemic acidosis, systemic alkalosis, gastric ulcer, duodenal ulcer. The correct answer is systemic acidosis. Systemic acidosis. Next question, that is question number 4. Which one is gram-negative cocci? The options are Micrococcus luteus, Escherichia coli, Neisseria gonorrhoeae, Vibrio cholerae. Here Micrococcus luteus is a gram-positive cocci. Escherichia coli is a gram-negative rod-shaped bacilli. Neisseria gonorrhoeae is a gram-negative cocci, and Vibrio cholerae is the gram-negative comma-shaped bacteria. So the correct answer is Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Next is question number 5. Lead acetate moistened cotton is used for the limit test of. The options are iron, chloride, arsenic, sulfate. Here the correct answer is arsenic. That is option C. Now question number 6. Agar-agar is obtained from marine life, marine fish, marine bacteria, marine algae. The correct answer is D, that is marine algae. Next, question number 7. Gurjet apparatus is used to detect which impurities in pharmaceuticals? The options are barium, lead, zinc, arsenic. The correct answer is arsenic. That is option D. Next is question number 8. Blood dyschariasis is occurred due to the side effect of tetracycline, ciprofloxacin, chloramphenicol, rifampicin. Here the correct answer is chloramphenicol. Next is question number 9. The color of tier card co is red due to the presence of. The correct answer is red oxide. Next is question number 10. Sun ray is good sterilizing agent due to X-ray, gamma ray, Vibgyor, UV ray. Here the correct answer is UV ray. That is option D. Next is question number 11. Mandel's paint contains iodine, zinc, tin, mercury. Here the correct answer is iodine. Next is question number 12. Rate of drug dissolution from a tablet is related with Fick's law, Noyes-Wheaton equation, Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, Michaelis-Menten equation. Here Fick's law is related to diffusion. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is related to pH of buffer. Michaelis-Menten equation is related to enzyme kinetic, and Noyes-Wheaton equation is related to dissolution of the tablet dosage form. So the correct answer is C. Next is question number 13. Disinfectant property of a solution can be determined by Friedel-Crafts reaction, Cannizzaro reaction, Rydal-Walker test, Zell-Neelsen method. Here Friedel-Crafts reaction and Cannizzaro reactions are the name reactions which are used for synthesis of chemical agents. Zell-Neelsen method is used for staining of acid-fast bacteria, and Rydal-Walker test is the property for determinations of disinfectant fluids. It is also known as phenol coefficient test. So the correct answer is C, Rydal-Walker test. Next is question number 14. Electrophoresis is a process by which we can separate out the options are protein, lipid, urine, carbohydrate. Here the correct answer is protein. Next is question number 15. Pore size of membrane filter. Pore size of membrane filter is 0.75 micron, 0.2 micron, 0.4 micron, 1 micron. Here the correct answer is 0.2 micron. 0.2 micron. And this pore size of membrane filter is generally used for viral filtration, and 0.45 micron is used for bacterial filtration. Next is question number 16. Ocushot, a dosage form device, is placed in tongue, rectum, vagina, conjunctiva. The correct answer is conjunctiva. Ocushot is placed in conjunctiva. If a dosage form placed under the tongue, then it is known as sublingual. When it is inserted in rectum, then it is called as suppository. And when it is inserted in vagina, then it is known as pessary. Next is question number 17. HEPA filter, that is high efficiency particulate air filter in laminar airflow hood, contains 4 type of filter, 3 type of filter, 2 type of filter, 1 type of filter. Here the correct answer is A, that is 4 type of filter. Next is question number 18. The drug extensively used for the treatment of both glaucoma and hypertension is atropine sulfate, pilocarpine nitrate, acetazolamide, propranolol. Here, atropine sulfate is used for mydriatics of the pupil, pilocarpine is used in glaucoma, acetazolamide is used in glaucoma as well as hypertension, propranolol is used in hypertension. So the correct answer is C, that is acetazolamide. Next question, that is question number 19. Which one is dimercaprol? BAL, GABA, EDTA, BHC. Here the correct answer is BAL, that is British anti-leucite. The full form of GABA is gamma aminobutyric acid. Full form of EDTA is the ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, and full form of BHC is benzene hexachloride. Next is question number 20. The primary organ for excretion of most drug is. The options are kidney, liver, lungs, and skins. Here the correct answer is kidney, because most of the drug can excreted through kidney. The other 3 organs are also act as excretory organ. Next is question number 21. Which one is rod-shaped bacterium? The options are Vibrio cholerae, Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Here the Vibrio cholerae is a comma-shaped bacteria, Staphylococcus aureus is a spherical bacteria, Escherichia coli is a rod-shaped bacteria, and Neisseria gonorrhoeae is a cocky. So the correct answer is C, Escherichia coli. Next is question number 22. Water for injection differs from sterile distilled water as it is free from carbon dioxide, pyrogen, living bacteria, preservatives. Here the correct answer is pyrogen. Pyrogen is an endotoxin produced from gram-negative bacteria which may cause fever. Next question, that is question number 23. The color of potassium iodide is yellow, brown, white, red. Actually, in presence of air, potassium iodide converts into yellow color. So the correct answer is yellow. Next is question number 24. Cobalt is a constituent of folic acid, vitamin B12, biotin, vitamin K. Here the correct answer is vitamin B12. The chemical name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. From this name, it is clear that cobalt is there. Next is question number 25. Diacetyl morphine. Actually, 6-diacetyl morphine is heroin, codeine, noscopine. Here the correct answer is B. B. It is the 3,6-diacetyl morphine. In question number A, it is the female character of any drama or movie. And codeine, here the codeine is 3-methyl morphine. Codeine is 3-methyl morphine. And noscapine is the benzyl isoquinoline type of alkaloid. Next is question number 26. The main physiological buffer in the blood is sodium chloride, acetate, phosphate, bicarbonate. Here the most appropriate answer is phosphate. Bicarbonate can act as a physiological buffer also. Next question is 27. Which one is xanthine oxidase inhibitor? Xanthine oxidase inhibitor. The options are purine, allopurinol, propranolol, timolol. The correct answer is allopurinol. Allopurinol. Next is question number 28. UV absorption range is 200 to 400 nanometer, 200 to 800 nanometer, 400 to 700 nanometer, 300 to 500 nanometer. Here UV region is 200 to 400 nanometer. But in case of visible region is 400 to 800 nanometer. When they are used in combination, that is UV visible, then the range will be 200 to 800 nanometer. For this question, the correct that is appropriate answer will be A, 200 to 400 nanometer. Next is question number 29. From which form of alkaloids is more active? Mesoform, dextroform, levoform, racemic form. The correct answer is levoform. Next question, that is question number 30. Organisms that can grow on organic matter from dead plants and animals are called parasites, mesophytes, saprophytes, epiphytes. The correct answer is saprophytes. Saprophytes. Here parasites depends on the host. Mesophytes are the plants needing only a moderate amount of water, and epiphytes are the plants that grow on the surface of another plant. Next is question number 31. Which one is used as an anti-sterility factor? The options are vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin D and vitamin P. Here the correct answer is vitamin E, which is also known as tocopherol. Tocopherol. Next is question number 32. Omega-3 fatty acids have which of the following function? Prevent osteoarthritis, prevent night blindness, prevents Parkinsonism, prevents atherosclerosis. Here the correct answer is prevent osteoarthritis. That is option A. Next is question number 33. The reasons of incorporations of vitamin C along with iron preparation is for sustained action, conjugation, Avoidance of constipation helps conversion and absorption. Here the correct answer is D, that is help conversions and absorption. In presence of vitamin C, iron may form complex which increases the solubility as well as absorptions of iron. Next is question number 34. Follicle stimulating hormone, that is FSH, and interstitial cell stimulating hormone, that is ICSH, are secreted from the posterior pituitary, hypothalamus, testes, anterior pituitary. We know that from posterior pituitary mainly two hormones are secreted, which are oxytocin and antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin. From hypothalamus many hormones can be secreted, mainly corticotrophin releasing hormone, dopamine, growth hormone releasing hormones are secreted. From testes, testosterone is secreted, and from anterior pituitary, these two hormones are secreted. So, the correct answer for this question is D, that is anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary. Next is question number 35. Penicillin is obtained from mold, bacteria, protozoa, yeast. Here the correct answer is mold. It is a fungus, and the source of penicillin is Penicillium notatum and Penicillium chrysogenum. Next is question number 36. Lieberman-Burchard test is used for the detection of alkaloid, steroid, protein, carbohydrate. The correct answer is steroid. Next is question number 37. The ratio of sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim is 1:5, 2:5, 3:5, 5:1. Here the amount of sulfamethoxazole is more than that of the trimethoprim. So the correct answer, and here the correct answer is D, that is 5:1. And this combination is also known as cotrimoxazole. Which one of the formulation is a pressurized drug delivery system? Here the correct answer is aerosols. Next is question number 39. Which one is fibrinolytic or antiplatelet activity? The options are aspirin, paracetamol, phenylbutazone, pethidine. Here the most appropriate answer is aspirin, that is option A. Next question. Sodium metabisulfite is used as buffer, antiemetic, antioxidant, anti-ulcer. The correct answer is antioxidant, that is option C. Next is question number 41. Nalorphine is the antagonist of opium, morphine, codeine, thebaine. Here the correct answer is morphine. Next is question number 42. Dengue is caused by protein, DNA virus, RNA virus, mycoplasma. Here the correct answer is RNA virus. Coronavirus is also a RNA virus. Next is question number 43. Which one is not dopaminergic congener? Dopamine, levodopa, carbidopa, 5-hydroxytryptamine. Here 5-hydroxytryptamine is a type of histamine. So this is not related to dopaminergic congener. Next is question number 44. The patient cannot tolerate enalapril. Which of the following can be substituted? Here enalapril is a drug under the class of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor, ACE inhibitor. So the alternative of enalapril is AT1 antagonist, that is losartan, option B. Next is question number 45. From which layer of intestine the surgical catgut is obtained? Mucous layer, muscular layer, submucosal layer, serous layer. Here the correct answer is submucosal layer, that is option C, submucosal layer. Next is question number 46. Famotidine acts as H1 histamine antagonist, H2 histamine antagonist, protein pump inhibitor, H1 agonist. Here the correct answer is H2 histamine antagonist. H2 histamine antagonist. Next is question number 47. Which one is the trophic hormone of testosterone? The options are TSH, that is thyroid stimulating hormone, GTH, that is gonadotrophic hormone, STH, somatotrophic hormone, ACTH, that is adenocorticotrophic hormone. Here the correct answer is GTH. Next is question number 48. An abrasive used in dentifrices is dicalcium phosphate, sodium carboxymethyl cellulose, sodium lauryl sulfate, diactyl sodium sulfosuccinate. Here the correct answer is A, that is dicalcium phosphate. Next is question number 49. Ergot is fruit, seed, bacteria, fungus. Ergot is a fungus known as Claviceps purpurea. So the correct answer is fungus. Next question is 50. A plasticizer and a high boiling point solvent used in the preparation of nail lacquer is butyl stearate, ethyl lactate, ethyl alcohol, acetone. Here the correct answer is butyl stearate, that is option A. This is all about today's question answer session. In the next day we will discuss another 50 questions of the same year, that is GLET 2018.